This captivating ranch-style 4-bedroom 3.5-bath home is situated in the desirable Riverside on the Potomac community. Mature landscaping and a complete stone front, with an inviting front covered porch will welcome you to your new home. This home offers an open-concept floor plan that's perfect for entertainment. Impress your guests with this gourmet kitchen featuring upgraded granite countertops, double oven, 2 pantries, gas cooktop, and stainless steel appliances. The kitchen opens to the spacious living room with stone gas fireplace and plenty of natural light. Next, enjoy time soaking up the sun in your Florida room just off the kitchen. The primary suite offers 2 large walk-in closets and a deluxe primary bathroom including a soaking tub, separate shower and dual vanities. Also on the main level you will find a formal dining room, 3 spacious guest bedrooms, an additional 1.5 baths and laundry room. The fully finished basement offers an additional bonus room, full bath, spacious family room, storage rooms, and a flex room that can be used as a workshop. Step out back to relax on the patio while enjoying your private backyard. This home is truly stunning with perfect attention to detail throughout. Don't forget, this community offers Potomac River access. This one is a must-see.